CVTV Weekly. I'm Danae.
And I'm Emma.
Halloween is on Monday, so we have a couple of special Halloween segments to kick things off. First is our very own administrators, Mr. Beal and Ms. Hudson, ranking their favorite Halloween candy.
What's up, everyone? At Canyon View High School, I am Beal.
I'm Miss Hudson.
And we are coming to you with our expert opinions on this season's Halloween candy. We both have partaken in Halloween festivities for many years, Miss Hudson more than myself, but many a Halloween season, and we have consumed our fair share of candy. So here we are going to look at some of the nation's favorite candy and rank them in what we believe is the correct order. You ready, Miss Hudson?
I am ready.
All right. Whoppers being our first one. So, Miss Hudson, what are you thinking for Whoppers?
Definitely a D. D as in dog.
Payday. Payday.
Also a D.
All right. Junior mints.
Maybe a C.
I mean, unless it's like a candy cane.
Maybe if you're on a date and you think you have bad breath, you should maybe eat some of those.
Okay. Fair. So classic M&Ms. All right.
Definitely a B.
All right, Keith.
Wow. Ooh. It gets stuck in
so
your
Miss
teeth.
Hudson is wrong. The correct answer is A. This is an A. This is a toffee. A toffee
that gets stuck in every crevice.
That's
of your
not
teeth.
true at all. Have you ever had Heath in like ice cream?
No.
100 grand.
B. I love 100 grand.
B?
I do really like them, but I wouldn't make them an A.
That's my favorite candy up here.
Good for you.
A. Snickers. Classic. Another classic.
B.
Just a good old-fashioned Hershey's chocolate bar.
Solid B. S'mores. Melt it. Use it on gingerbread house.
I feel like you're just making stuff up.
I'll eat one. They're better with almonds.
You just described a C.
Okay.
Milk Duds. Milk Duds.
B.
B. I agree with that. B. It is a B. Airheads.
C.
Really? I thought you liked sour.
I really like sour, but
Just
I
not
also see
Airheads.
Laffy Taffy up there, and I would choose Laffy Taffy over anything. Okay.
Milky Way.
I would say C or D.
But so here's the thing, though. Is it a blow pop? That's an A. Is it a Tootsie Roll? That's a C. Butterfinger. Better not lay a finger on my Butterfinger.
I'm gonna go D.
Twix. Classic.
B.
B. Yep. They're not over the top. It's pretty much what you see is what you get.
Yep.
Mr. Goodbar.
F.
I think Mr. Goodbar is false advertising. There's nothing good about Mr. Goodbar.
I agree.
It is chocolate and peanut. Okay, gummy bears. I'm curious.
I like me some good gummy bears. I'm gonna go with like an A, probably.
You are digging your lap. Go for it. Why do you dig the Laffy Taffy?
One, they have jokes, right? Everybody needs a good joke. They're funny. They're like
You
bad
need
jokes.
good
I
jokes.
need good jokes.
You tell horrible.
They're
jokes.
kind of sour, so that's a little bit of sweet and sour, and they're very chewy, and I appreciate that.
Okay, this is polarizing here. I feel like you either love them or hate them. Peanut butter cups, Reese's peanut butter cups.
A B.
I can be down with that. A B. Okay, but I'm gonna throw one in here. Oh no, they're up. They're coming up. Never mind. Baby Ruth.
D.
Runts. Have you ever chipped your tooth on a runt?
No, I shifted my tooth on a fork.
That's
We're
not
gonna
even
talk about
candy.
that.
Yeah.
Okay. Runts, I'm gonna go with like a B.
I like runts. I like runts as well. Nerds.
Fake banana.
Nerds.
No. They're too little, and then they get all in your hands, and then if you use the box, they get all soggy. Like I don't know.
Jolly Ranchers.
It's a solid B,
I am a solid D.
but it sometimes cuts the top of your mouth.
Yes. Kit Kat. Oh my gosh, you are a communist.
I'm gonna say maybe C, B. I don't know.
No, Kit Kats are classic. Those are easily an A. Nestle's Crunch. Yeah. It is what it is. Twizzlers. Hate them. hate Twizzlers. I'm a Red Vine guy.
Red Vine all
Red
the way.
Vine all the
Red
way.
Vines and Sprite and some popcorn.
Reese's Pieces.
D.
Or Reese's Pieces. Which is it, first of all?
Reese's Pieces. Reese's Pieces. Reese's Pieces? Skittles.
Skittles.
Solid B.
No, that's an A. You're
Taste the rainbow.
wrong. Taste the rainbow. Love the rainbow.
Love the rainbow.
No, Skittles is an A.
Fair.
Skittles.
Yeah.
A.
A.
Sour Patch. A. I don't know anybody that doesn't like Sour
I
Patch
love
Kids.
Sour Patch. Any kind,
Yep.
really.
Yep. Starburst.
A.
Starburst is an A.
Absolutely.
Because that's the only taffy I like. Tootsie Rolls. I have to be in the mood.
Yeah.
Sometimes I like Tootsie Rolls. D or C? It's not anything above a C.
I'd have to say C. They're average.
Okay. Three Musketeers. This is the D.
Yeah, D.
D, because as I said previously, Snickers, Milky Way is Snickers without the peanuts. Three Musketeers is Milky Way and Snickers without the peanuts and the caramel. Pretty smart marketing. Yeah, that's a D. And then candy corn.
F.
Really?
I cannot stand candy corn.
It's a C for me. I don't dislike candy corn.
Nope.
But I don't seek them out. I know people that love them some candy corn.
That's so gross.
Love them some candy corn. All right, there we did. We helped you through your Halloween season. As teenagers, you clearly don't have opinions on Halloween candy, so I'm glad that Miss Hudson and I were able to give you our professional opinion on these, so when you go out trick-or-treating and annoying adults as 14 to 18-year-olds, you will now know what candy to discard and what candy to keep, like the gross, dumb Laffy Taffy and whatever else Miss Hudson was wrong about. So, thank you for joining us. I'm sure you will have a very safe and enjoyable Halloween season.
Most people focus on the candy, but I also love a good Halloween treat.
Keeping with the Halloween theme, Samantha Marquez and Cesar Peralta walk you through a fun and easy treat that will be the hit of any Halloween party.
Today we're going to be showing you how to make graveyard pudding cookie cups. To start out, you need chocolate instant pudding mix. You also need Oreo cookies or any type of like cookies with like that can be crumbled into like the cocoa mix. And then you could eat any like biscuits or like wafer type cookies that you can use for like tombstones. And then just like any other candy that you want to add to your mix. Oh, and of course the gel or like type of black marker, edible marker to use on the tombstones. Next, we're going to create the pudding mix, and you're going to whisk that together either in a mixer or by hand. Mix that with, depending on the box that you have, but probably like 2 cups of cold milk for 5 minutes. Next, we'll crush our Oreos to create the cocoa, the like powder. And then we're going to, in the cups, sprinkle layers of the cookie crumbles, and then the pudding, then the cookie crumbles, until it's all filled up to the top. And then from there, in our cups, we'll put in our little tombstones and add our decorations.
This is a big weekend for us as we celebrate our first ever homecoming in school history. We are excited to welcome back the class of 2022, and we have a great dance planned for Saturday night.
But first, the varsity football team is hosting Ironwood at 7 p.m. in a big game with a spot in the playoffs on the line. Here's a quick preview of the big game.
How are you feeling about the game today?
Good. We're coming off of our record right now is 3-4. We just lost against Apollo last week, but we're going in pretty strong this week. Very long practice. I don't know. Feeling confident against Ironwood, especially for homecoming game. Can't lose.
This is all we got for today. Have a great time at homecoming.
Make sure to follow at CVTV Jags on Instagram and YouTube for all our latest content. Have a
great
great Halloween!